it was actually even so particular that it did this little bump here, and then to a new low, and then particularly like a 3-wave move up, and then we dump down again. And everything that we did there is very similar to what we did here, except it just took different times. Like the only thing that's different is the fact that it came from here and ended like this. Like if I take this movement, it's exactly the same in sequence. So like you can see that it starts off with this one, goes up, and then it doesn't come down quite as much as the bottom one. It comes up a little bit, and then makes a new low. Okay? Does that. Starts out with this movement here, decent retracement, doesn't make a new low, pops up a bit though, comes down to a new low. And then we make a 3-wave move up, and then a dump down. So that's the remainder of the movement. 3-wave move up, and then a dump down. And in both sequences we do that. It is exactly the same. Like if I take this over to here, you can see it's very similar in this regard. Basically we're doing those same kind of things. The only difference is this is here and this is here. Just different angle. You know, is this the sequence that it cared about today when it was slowing down? And stare at it all day and not even notice that that is actually happening in front of us. But to find it, you know, it means that we understand that there can be a process that has a beginning and an end, where every single thing is exactly the same, where we make a dump down and a pull back up that's pretty significant, takes the majority of it back, then we come almost all the way back down to the first low. But not quite, before we make a little bit of a pop, and we do that little bit of a pop. Then it actually makes a new low. And then we make a 3 drive up, and then it makes another new low. This is how we've made 3 drives patterns all day. 1, 2, and 3 down. It's as simple as that. And what is this, if not the same thing? 1, 2, and 3 new lows. You know, in its own way, we've completed this like 4th, largest is the 3rd, 4th and 2nd wave. It's exactly doing the same kind of movement inside of the 4th and 5th wave.